If you're into immersive art, you probably think of names like Yayoi Kusama or TeamLab. But today, I'd like to introduce you to two artists redefining the boundaries of immersive experiences: Tupac Martir and Yusuke Murakami. Tupac seamlessly blends fashion, technology, and art. As the founder of Satori Studio, he's been celebrated by the V&A as the man of the multidisciplinary Renaissance and hailed as a lighting magician by Vogue. His collaborations span from fashion powerhouses like Alexander McQueen, Stella McCartney, and Prada, to icons like Elton John, Beyoncé, and Coachella. Tupac began coding at just 6 years old and was even scouted as a football player, a path he ultimately chose not to pursue. His creative journey took him to the Mexican Opera House and later to a role as art director for MTV Latin America. Eventually, he moved to London, where he founded Satori Studio. Named after the Japanese concept of awakening, Satori reflects Tupac's innovative and forward-thinking approach to art and technology. One of Tupac's most remarkable works is Nierka, an immersive performance inspired by Wassily Kandinsky's The Yellow Sound. This piece brings together film, music, puppetry, and sensors to explore themes of life, self-reflection, and connection. At its heart is an astronaut, representing humanity's search for meaning, an exploration of the mind, body, and soul. Nierka invites audiences to reflect on what it means to be human in today's interconnected world. Another standout project is Unique, a groundbreaking performance combining XR technology with live music and dance. Premiering at BFI South Bank, it used AI to transform 96 phrases into chord progressions for specific instruments. Every performance was improvised, adapting to Tupac's live signals, making each experience completely unique. Offline audiences enjoyed a concert-like setting, while online viewers had exclusive perspectives, showing how XR can bridge physical and digital worlds. Let me introduce another remarkable project. Created to honor Mexican culture and history while embodying Johnny Walker's iconic "Keep Walking" tagline, this breathtaking visual poem seamlessly blends digital art, cutting-edge projection technology, and real-time social media interaction. It was projected onto Mexico City's largest canvas, the Torre Reforma skyscraper, illuminating the city skyline. At the time, Mexico City was recovering from one of the most devastating earthquakes in its history. This project became a love letter to the city and its people. It symbolized resilience, perseverance, and hope. At the core of Tupac's work is a deep belief in connection. He shares a poignant lesson from his grandfather, who taught that recognizing yourself in others fosters empathy and unity. This philosophy drives his art, reminding us of our shared humanity and the power of understanding. On the other side of the world, Yusuke Murakami is reshaping how we experience space. With a background in film from New York and the Royal College of Art in London, he's collaborated with top brands and artists before founding his collective, 3&. Yusuke's Anima is a 20-minute immersive experience that scans your soul, converting it into data to explore from subjective and objective perspectives. Through 360-degree projections, stereophonic sound, and advanced 3D sensing, it challenges perceptions of reality and raises questions about consciousness in a digital age. Can our souls exist in the metaverse? Anima asks us to reconsider what it means to be human in a future dominated by technology. Ascension is a breathtaking art installation that transforms Dubai's iconic Burj Khalifa into a luminous spectacle. This immersive display takes viewers on a rhythmic journey, from fiery lava eruptions to minerals, deep seas, deserts, cities, mountains, and the vast sky, layer by layer up the world's tallest building. Vivid colors and dynamic visuals mirror the Earth's pulse, creating an awe-inspiring experience that lights up both the Burj Khalifa and the night sky. Yusuke is now preparing a large-scale video installation for Expo 2025 in Osaka. Well worth experiencing if you're planning to visit Japan next year. These artists don't rely on technology alone. They skillfully harness it through their foundations in traditional art, showing us how technology can enhance our experiences in ways we hadn't imagined before. If you're an artist and would like to share your practice, drop a comment below. I'd love to discover art I haven't come across yet. And if you're curious about new art forms, check out my videos, Reimagining Creativity and Tech Meets Dance, where I introduce inspiring artists you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.